Good Saturday morning, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. We got Bum over here. Bright and early this morning. Bright and early. Yeah. See how early it is? It's still dark outside. We come here and do a walk around the shop. Jamison's fired up the old blue truck. I know y'all about forgot about it. No, it still don't have a transmission yet, but you can hear it running over there. Anyway, let's do a quick walk around the shop. Getting the seats in here. Getting the seats in the console. Got them everything test fitted, bolted down. It's kind of dark in here. Open my door where you can see it a little better. Console fits real nice. Get it all finished up. I think got some carpet on the way and some odd end things like that. Got this little car on the rack. Come in running bad, and look, bumper's all to pieces. You can see the aftercooler there has been all up. Probably got a hole knocked in it. You have to pull that thing apart just to get to that stuff. But anyway, getting it worked on. Drake has been sandblasting on the roof of the Cutlass. Looked like he's put some what's that, Rustmort stuff on it. Coated it down with it. Gonna let it set overnight and then probably come in the morning and scrape it off. I mean Monday morning. But he spent about probably a whole day just about sandblasting all the spots on the roof. You can see how, well, I don't know if you can see it real good or not, but you can see where there's holes now. Had an old Landau style roof on it. Anyway, got it all cleaned up. Getting the work done on the Hyundai over here. Got the doors back off, getting them jams repaired. See, getting everything stitched up on it. Had to do a little bit of work on the post right there. We got to put the airbag and seat bag in it. It's coming along real nice. The Maxima, got the bumper cover back on it. Deck lid, we decided to snatch it off and carry it over and put it in the booth. Get it painted. We still got to clean everything up real good, but you can see it's coming out real nice. Let's walk over here and check it out. A lot of stuff going on. Shoot, I can't remember what all. Anyway, we'll walk over here and check out the deck lid like this. We got an early start this morning. Got some things to do. Got to get around. So we got out here before daylight. Well, he's a running her good. It's good for it to be crunk running. It's been sitting there for a long time. Riata here still getting cleaned up. Getting it polished all up and everything. Check on the, like I said here, Maxima deck lid. Got it painted inside the booth here. Like I said, nice fresh coat of paint. Turned out real nice. I don't know if because my battery's about dead or what, but ain't looking real good. My screen, I am working on a low battery. I said I wasn't gonna do that no more because it kind of messed up the sound on a video the other day. But anyway, hope to get this one out pretty soon. Hopefully get some black under the hood of the old Mustang pretty soon, where we're gonna get the motor in it. I think you got the gas tank back under the we call that rescue truck there. Boy, it's dark out here. Let me get back over here to the shop. He's still cranking that tray. Must be getting ready for car show season, because you know we got to get up early on them days too, especially if we got one way off. I think he's trying to see if the transmission decided to work while it's sitting there. But anyway, that's what we got going on here at the shop. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Like, subscribe. Keep checking us out. 256 Garage out.